Hi everyone, my name is Kushagra and today I'll be giving you a quick walkthrough of our RTO suite. We have built 8 configurable RTO rules that helps businesses reduce RTO rates, minimize failed orders and cut down losses by making smarter decisions before an order is placed. Let's take a look. So for these rules you have to come to the dashboard. Under dashboard you have to navigate to RTO suite and you will be able to see these many options. Let's visit them one by one. So first up is based on cart amount. You go in, you add a rule. I have already made a rule to explain you guys. So here we go. We set up a rule name, and for this one I have chosen cart amount. Now for orders above 999, I want them to only access partial COD. So I have written a 999 here, allowed partial COD. If I click this, disable partial COD. So after 999 the entire order will become prepaid. There will be no COD or partial COD available for the customer. But here we want partial COD for orders above 999. So I will put partial COD allow. Go to next. Choose the setup. Would you want to charge 100 rupees upfront from the customer? Would you want to charge only the COD fee from the customer, or a percentage of total order including COD or excluding COD? So for this one, let's do 20% upfront. Save. There we go. It's that simple. Moving on to the second rule, that is cart item count. So let's see what we have configured here. So okay, if a cart is having more than 3 products, we won't allow any partial COD or COD because that is a higher risk order. And yes, that is it. Second configuration you can have is to allow them to have partial COD from 1 to 3 products, because after 3 we had a rule which disabled COD for them, partial COD as well. So for 1 to 2 we can have partial COD. This is how we complete the setup and also include the percentage of the total order. That is how we made sure that from 1 to 2 products it will be a partial COD with 20% upfront collection, and after that it's a prepaid order. Third configuration, that is based on COD order count. So let's say a customer has placed 3 COD orders and those were successful. So I will now trust the customer and I will allow them to use the COD option as well as the partial COD option. We can also click this option to if we have entered 15 days here. So if the customer has ordered 3 times on COD successfully within 15-day window, then only we will show them these options. So this will create sort of a filter where we have list of only those customers who we can trust upon and has ordered successful COD orders. And again, the same partial COD setup, we can have many options, many rules, all from one place. Now fourth one is based on return orders. Now this is a very good one. If anyone has returned any product from a website for more than 2 times or 2 times, we will directly straight up remove any sort of COD for them because those customers are risky for us. So yeah, that's it. Now the user one, this is very actively used by all the merchants and we highly recommend to use this option. We can enter the numbers of the risky customers, and that is how we block COD for them and allow only partial COD. You can also just make the entire order prepaid for those users. That will make their order completely prepaid and will block COD or partial COD option from their dashboard. Moving on to pin code, similar functionality. If we have the list of all those areas with pin codes, it will be here. We will be uploading it here and it will only allow partial COD for them. Same setup. Products and collections, now these both go hand in hand. If you have some products that are of higher value or less in stock and you don't want any fake order to capture that inventory and potentially make or incur loss on your end, you can activate this function. Here you can select the products, here and you can save, give it a rule name and then allow partial COD or COD. Go to next, set up the COD setup and save. Similarly, this goes for collections. You add a rule from here, and then you'll have the setup, name the rule, choose the collection, save it, and apply whatever payment availability you want with the partial COD setup. That is how you can set multiple filters, and by these, businesses can proactively reduce RTOs, improve operational efficiency, and create a more reliable checkout experience. Thank you for watching.